Premium nonstick surface provides stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Slide-out drip tray removes and cleans easily. Control Master Heat Control maintains the desired cooking temperature automatically. Heavy cast aluminum base is virtually warp-proof. Griddle is fully immersible with the heat control removed. Simply open latch clips to detach handles from griddle base. No tools needed. With handles removed, base stores in most standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets. Cooking area, 231 square inch. This extra-large griddle cooks enough food for the entire family and features detachable handles for compact storage. Simply open the latch clips to release handles from base. With handles removed, the base stores neatly in most standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets. Premium textured cooking surface provides enhanced nonstick performance for stick-free cooking and easier cleaning. Control Master Heat Control automatically maintains the desired cooking temperature. Heavy cast aluminum base is virtually warp-proof. Slide-out drip tray removes and cleans easily. Griddle is fully immersible with the heat control removed. 120 volts AC, 60 Hz only, 1500 watts. Top reviews from the United States. I love my griddle. I learned to love a Presto griddle when one was in the house we were renting. When our house was built, I bought this one. It's a little deeper than the older model, and I was afraid that might impact heat distribution. With the element design, it will always be hotter directly over the element. But, I made pancakes the other day, and didn't really see it. I think it helps to let it preheat. I love my griddle and use it mainly for pancakes and eggs.